Hi guys, today I'll be reviewing the KOTAMU waxing kit. We have hard wax beads for the cheek and the back. We have hard wax beads for the face, eyebrows, for thin hair, and it has instructions on the back. The kit also comes with a wax pot. It's a pretty pink color. The pot also comes with a collar so that it doesn't get messy. And yeah, we're gonna heat up the white hard wax beads because I'm going to be waxing my chin hairs. And it says that the pink beads are best for, the thin hair, eyebrows, any kind of thin hair on your face. It says best for, but I'm pretty sure that this wax can be used on multiple areas of the body. So I'm going to test it out. Here I'm just heating up the wax. I turned the pot all the way up and I just let the wax melt to a consistency that is almost like brownie batter. You guys can refer to the manual for perfect heating instructions. I have it nice and melted to 165 degrees. I'm going to use the white beads that's best for thick and thin hair. They sent 2 packs and I went ahead and melted one down in the pot already. So once you get it to the right temperature, you can go ahead on and apply it. It dries very fast. And then you want to get a grip at the bottom. Pull, pull. Nice and clean. And the wax is white, so you can actually see how many hairs it picked up. Like, oh my gosh. Wow. Yay, I'm about to be back bald. I'm going to do a couple more strips just so I can show you guys how good this wax is. I think it's pronounced KOTAMU or KOTAMU. I'm going to put it in my, the link, of course, will be in the description so that you guys can order it and use it at home on yourselves or on someone if you want to wax someone else. The whole kit comes. You get the sticks, you get the pot, you get the beads. They give you the waxing guide. They even have their name on the sticks. That is so cute to me. Get a good grip and voila. Hey, baby. Yes. Let's keep going. I'm going to save all those strips so that you guys can see them at the end. I didn't go across the middle yet. Let's go down the middle. Yes. And my hair on my chin is very thick. That's why I went with the white beads, because they send white and pink. The pink is for a thin. Yeah, the pink beads are for thin, fine hair. Good for the little fuzzies on the face and stuff like that. So I went with the white because we're doing this thick hair on my chin. Okay, we're almost done, y'all. I'm gonna do a strip over here to the far side. And I'm gonna do a cleanup strip. Did not require much work at all. And you see I'm letting it dry completely. It dries very fast though. When you let the wax dry, you get a better, cleaner pull. Yes. Ooh, I'm gonna take a before and after for you guys. I like this wax. I'm liking the creamy texture. I'm gonna do an up strip. I'm gonna try to go over my whole chin. I love this creamy consistency. Most waxes are like gel based. This one's just a little creamy and I like that. I made this strip a little wide, so I had to do a little technique to pull it all at once. Oh, wow. Yes. They sent the smaller stick, so I'm going to try a smaller stick for right here. Ooh, wee. Yep. It's doing what it's supposed to do. And it's getting what it's supposed to give. So this is good for you guys if y'all want to start waxing yourself. Good product. I'll rate it a 10 out of 10 because of the consistency of this wax. It doesn't hurt like some waxes I have used. It's real easy to use. It has a quick setting temp. You don't have to wait all day for it to dry. And they said this one was for thick hairs, but let's see if y'all can catch that. It has a ton of thin hairs on it. I don't even think they're picking up. They are so, like, all that is peach fuzz. Wow. Definitely give that a 10 out of 10. I'm going to go back and put some on my, oops. And go ahead, mix or tweeze a little bit of those hairs. And since we have some wax left up in the pot, I'm going to do some strips on my thigh. I've been letting my hair grow out so we can see how it works on thigh hair. So you guys, right here, I'll be testing the wax out on my thigh hair. As you can see, thigh is not stated on the packing, but this goes back to me telling you all that the wax can be used on multiple areas. Look at how, oh my gosh, look at how many hairs came off, y'all, with one strip. My thigh was so smooth that I went back and actually finished waxing both of my thighs with this wax after I recorded this video. This wax is really, like, you know, top tier. It dries very fast and it pulls about, I would have to say about 97% of the hairs on one strip. And that is amazing. Of course, you go back, look at that. Look, you go back and do your cleanup strips afterwards, but it's pretty much bald after one strip. You don't have to tug and fight, and it's not a hassle with this wax. I love the creamy consistency. I cannot stress that enough, y'all. This company did really good with their wax beads. Look at the before and after, how smooth my thigh was. Love it. So you guys, since I'm loving this wax so much, I went ahead and heated up a bag of the pink wax. And I'm going to give you guys a quick eyebrow demonstration as well. And I can let y'all know right now that the pink wax is just as good as the white wax. Look at how clean my eyebrow got underneath. And you can see those hairs on the strip. Clock it. Oh, clock it. You can see the hair on the strip. So this is not, you know, it's not a joke. It is exactly what it appears to be. All I can say is great things about this wax. I really love the consistency of both. I love the drying time for both. And yeah, like, it's the perfect kit for you guys to purchase if you want to wax yourself or wax anyone else. Of course, I'm going to have the company's description and the link to their website in my description. So you guys, all you have to do is click the link in the description below to check out this company's products. You will not be disappointed. And yeah, hopefully I'll be back with another video. Maybe I can show y'all on the bikini line, or you know, a back or a chest or something like that. So y'all, make sure y'all go check them out. It has just started raining outside, so I'm going to get inside before it gets too bad. I had to come out here to record the voiceover so that my kids would not interrupt while I talk to you guys about this amazing company. Again, click the link in the description below. This kit is perfect for at-home waxing. Y'all won't be disappointed. Look at how clean I got my eyebrows. Oh yeah, I forgot I went ahead and tried on someone's sideburns too. So y'all see that this wax work on multiple areas. Her sideburns were very clean after that one strip. I hope you guys have a great day. Click the link in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Love y'all.